Hey there, knowledge keepers, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are diving into a topic that's going to open up a whole new world of earning potential for you. Ever thought about making money on Fiverr without having any specific skills? Well, stick around because we are about to uncover the secrets of the Fiverr affiliate program. Alright, let's jump right in. You might have heard of Fiverr before, the go-to platform for freelancers and service providers. But did you know they also have an amazing affiliate program? It's a way to earn commissions by promoting Fiverr services even if you don't have any skill to offer yourself. So how does this work? It's actually quite simple. You sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program and they give you a unique link. This link can be shared on platforms like Pinterest or your own website. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase on Fiverr, you earn a commission. Now let's talk about placing those affiliate links. You can create attractive pins on Pinterest that highlight the service available on Fiverr. When users click on your pin and use your link to make a purchase, you earn a piece of the pie. You can also embed these links on your website, maybe in a blog post or resource pages. Guys, I have placed the link to sign up for the Fiverr affiliate program in the description below. It's super easy to get started. Just click the link, sign up, and you are on your way to earning. Whether you are a blogger, a social media user, or just someone looking to make some extra cash, this is for you. If you have any question about the Fiverr affiliate program or making money without skills, drop them in the comment section. I am here to help and provide answers. Your success is important to me. So guys, that's wrap for today's lesson, my fellow knowledge keepers. Remember, you don't need a special skill set to start earning with the Fiverr affiliate program. Just a bit of creativity, some strategic placement of your affiliate links, and you are on your way. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bells so you never miss my next class. Until then, keep learning and keep earning.